Welcome to Baking Art Theory. Today we'll explore how baking is not just a culinary skill, but an artistic endeavor that blends precision, creativity, and passion. At the heart of baking is precision. Every ingredient is carefully measured to create the perfect balance. It's like painting with flavors, where each gram and milliliter contributes to the final masterpiece. Next comes the technique. From kneading dough to whipping up meringue, each method requires skill and practice. These techniques transform simple ingredients into intricate, edible art. But baking is not just about following recipes, it's also about creativity. Bakers experiment with flavors, colors, and designs to make their creations stand out. This is where baking truly becomes an art form. Then there's the final touch, the presentation. Just like an artist showcases their painting, bakers present their creations in the most appealing way, making every bake a feast for the eyes and the palate. Baking also fosters connection. Sharing homemade treats brings people together, creating sweet memories and joyful moments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of baking. Remember, every bake is a chance to express yourself and share your passion with others. Explore more about the art of baking on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time!